Hello guys. Here we have an Acer laptop and it's not working. It's turning on, but there's nothing on the screen. Let me show you. See, when we press the power button, we do receive the blue light. It means there's power, and the fan spins one, and then it stops. Let me show you the fan. Okay, the fan is not spinning. Let's turn it off. I'm gonna try to turn it off. Okay, I think the button is on the other side. Okay, no, it's not turning on. Okay, the button is on the side. Okay, now it's on. Check the fan. And then it stops, of which it's a good behavior. But there's nothing on the screen. And let me show you something. This is not a backlight issue because there's nothing total on the screen. And the screen is not receiving any data or any power. It's just blank and empty with nothing, no information, no backlight, just completely dead. Let's go ahead. Let's try to repair this machine together. All right. Anyway, guys, this machine has an internal battery and it has an internal RAM. See the RAM, there was no RAM here, but the RAM memories, I believe, they're on the other side of the board. It came with an internal RAMs, so you can't change those RAMs unless if you have the stencils for exactly the same memory, of which I believe the problem here might come from the RAM. It's possible. Oh wait, let's see. So in this issue, it's gonna be hard, but first we have to understand whether the problem is the RAM or it's some other part on the board. Because if the problem is coming from the RAM, you know what you have to do there, right? You have to disable the internal RAM. You have to disable that RAM. Okay, this is the CMOS battery. Let's remove the CMOS battery. So after removing the CMOS battery, what you do is you short there on the CMOS battery for 30 seconds. Every time you have to do the basic troubleshooting before you can go deep and deeper into a board. Start with basic stuff, start with basic things, and then from there you can take it far. So you count, let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. I think it's sharp now. Right. Okay, let's check the battery. Okay, it's not turning on. Okay, guys, it's not turning on. I don't know why. Anyway, don't panic. I'm gonna tell you what you need to do. Very, 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 very easy. Let's use a DC bench power supply. It's 19 volts. One probe to ground. One probe to positive, and then one probe to ground. This is my ground. We can connect it right there. Okay, it's charging the battery. Hope you can see the light. Now let's press the power button. Okay, I saw something. Okay, let's press the power button. Okay, let me turn off the power supply. Let's remove the battery. So what I'm gonna do here, I'm gonna use the power supply. I wanna see how many amps the machine will take on. I know, man, it's bad, it's bad, it's bad, it's bad. Hundreds, hundreds milliamps, you won't believe. I know it's bad. It's bad, it's bad, it's bad, it's bad. With 100 milliamps, you won't have a working machine. Let's turn off the power supply. Okay, clearly there's something wrong with the motherboard. Let's take everything apart. Oh wait, what if the problem was coming from the keyboard? Because I know these machines, they have a funny behavior. They have a funny behavior. I'm telling you, I've seen this plenty of times. Let's connect this back and then ground to ground. Turn it on. Okay, it's not working right, of which is fine. Turn your multimeter into continuity mode. One probe to ground. Okay, let me reverse the probes. Okay, guys, anyway, it's not turning on. I don't know why. It's not turning on at all. Okay, anyway, this method doesn't work. Switch off. Okay, I want to show you something. Okay, let's connect back the keyboard. Puts back everything, including this guy, so that I will see when the machine is turning on the machine is on. How? Wait. It means all along I was trying to turn on the machine while the DC, this thing was out. Can you believe that? Can you believe that? Okay, let's do it again. How stupid I was. Okay, let's see. Okay, one probe to ground. Okay, the machine is on. Okay, still it's taking 100 milliamps. I want to connect the fan so that you will see. I want you to see everything. The machine is on. One probe to ground. The machine is on. The light is on there. The fan is spinning, and then it stops. So what we do is easy. Turn this to a range of 20 volts. The CPU is cold. I don't know why. Let's start from the CPU. Let's check how many volts. We have 0 volt from the CPU power supply. 0 volts from the CPU power supply. And 0 volts from the CPU power supply. What about 3.3? And okay, the 3.3 you can check there on the BIOS chip. Okay, we have the 3.3. You check on the BIOS chip on pin number 8. We have the 3.3. Let's check pin number 7. 3.3. Pin number 6. And 50. What about the pin number 1? 3.3. 3.3. 3.3. Okay, it means our 3.3 is fine. Let's check there. The RAM does receive power. This is funny. I hope you can see the RAM. I think this is the RAM 1.1. What about this? 5 volts. What about 3.3? 3.3. Okay, this is the 3.3. And this is 3 volts. Okay, guys, this is funny. The CPU is not turning on at all. 0 volt from the CPU. Okay. Turned off the power supply. We have to remove everything. And guys, I can't blame the RAM. You saw that the RAM seems fine. All right, now we will do a cold scanning. A cold scanning is so important. To do a cold scanning, you need a multimeter. Turn it into continuity mode, and then from there we can do a physical inspection, but I don't see anything funny. Everything seems fine to me. Okay, let's start there from the CPU. One probe to ground. Okay, the 3.3 and the 5 volts are fine. Even the RAM power supply, 5 volts and the 3 volts there. Okay, this side everything is fine. Let's check near the startup chip if there's any shorts. Okay, I believe this is ground. What about this? Check for shorts on those diodes. Okay, no short. Let's continue. All right. Okay, I did check the BIOS. BIOS was fine. Let me remove the heatsink. I don't know why, but I like to remove the heatsink. You start from number 1, and this is number 2. From number 2, this is number 3. And this is number 4. Okay. The heatsink is out. I don't see any physical damage on the CPU. Seems fine. So what you do, one probe to ground. Check for shorts there. No shorts. No shorts. No shorts. No shorts. Okay, there's no shorts. I don't see any shorts. Where's the CPU controller here? Okay, there is the CPU controller. This is the CPU controller. Let's check for shorts on the CPU controller, near the CPU controller. So what you do, you check those components. I don't know why my meter is doing that. Okay, guys, don't be confused. When the multimeter is beeping, it doesn't mean there's a short. It means those power rail, they have a low resistance to ground. There is no short, so don't confuse the two. There is no short at all. Okay. Even near the startup chip, I don't see anything funny. Everything seems fine. So now, what we're gonna do, it's easy. We'll have to program the BIOS, and then we'll take it from there. I will have to program the BIOS. The board turns on, but it doesn't take any power. There's no power on the CPU. Okay. So let's go ahead. Let's program the BIOS chip. I'll program the BIOS chip, and this is the BIOS chip. So I'll have to install the new file, erase the chip, make sure it's clean, and then install new files on this chip.